Hello, and welcome to Storyboard That. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Spider Map Worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first, we are going to pick out a template that we like. We have a whole bunch of really fun options, and I think I'm going to go with this one. So all we have to do is click the Copy Template button that's right below, and this brings us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. Now you can name yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to call mine Template 1 and click Continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add characters, items, update the text, make any changes that we want to do. So for my spider map, I have a flamingo, I have a crab, and a palm tree. So I think I'd like to add a pirate. So let's go up to our characters menu, and a pirates were most popular between like the 16 and 1800s, so let's search that category. Now we have a whole bunch of great options, so let's scroll over until we find a pirate. I like this one. Great. So to do so, just drag your character down to the storyboard, and now we get to customize. This is where we get to update facial expressions, poses, colors, make any changes that we want. Now we can select all different colors here, or we can click the randomize color button that's right below. And this will randomly generate a whole set of colors from these options. So it's really fun to go through, but I like this one. This is great. Just click the update pose when you're all done, and there's our character. Now we can move them anywhere we want in our storyboard as well as resize them. Just drag the corner of your item and stretch. All right, that looks pretty good. Now next is items. Now you can browse the items menu and go through all of these great categories, or if you want to look for something specific, just go to the upper right hand search menu and type in whatever you would like. Now I think I would like to add a pirate ship. So if you go back to our items menu and search under vehicles, I think we can find a pirate ship. So let's scroll over. All right, here we go. We have a pirate ship right here. Just drag and drop just like your character. And great. Now this pirate ship is in front of everything, so I'd like to send it to the back. So if we click layers, send all the way to the back, it is there, but we have this transparent blue, so that's blocking it. So if we select that blue, we can send that all the way to the back too. There we go. But we do have our flamingo blocking our ship as well still. So let's move our flamingo down. Think about there's good. And we can get rid of this thought bubble. Just select your item and delete. All right, now next is backgrounds. Now we have this nice transparent blue, and we can change the color of it if we want to. But if we want to put it in our own scene or design, all we have to do is just delete it and select anything that we want. So I'm going to go over to the scenes menu, and I'm going to select the outdoor category. And let's find a nice beach. Let's find a nice beach scene. All right, I have a nice beach scene right here, so let's just drag and drop it. And we're going to go over to our right-hand menu and go to Stretch to Fill. And I'm going to click Crop to Fill. This way, this fills the entire frame without stretching or warping anything. And let's click OK. All right, now we have our scene in place, so let's send this all the way to the back. All right, perfect. Now let's edit this pirate ship. I think it looks nice, but it's a little hard to see against this dark blue of the water. So we select our item, and you can change colors in the right-hand menu, and with some items you can actually change its options. So let's select image option, and we have a whole bunch of different poses for this ship. So we can have a front view, back view, we can have an aerial view of it. It can be sunken, but I still like this side profile of it. So let's select that and add some new colors. And I think for the sails, while these pre-selected options are nice, I'd like to change the sails to white. So let's go to this box right here, and you can customize the color to whatever you would like. Now, black and white are always going to be saved here in the top left corner of this box. So let's select white, and there we go. Just click Update Image, and now we have a more visible pirate ship. All right, now last but not least is text. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. Just select one and put in your own words. So let's give some directions to this. We're going to call this Make a Story About a Pirate. If we know how to spell pirate. There we go. All right, great. Now I think that looks pretty good, but I'd like to change the font as well as make this text a little bit larger. So just highlight what you want to change. And if you go over to your text editor, we can select a whole new font. All right, I like this one. That looks pretty good. Now let's make this font much bigger. So let's change it from 24, I think, to 54. All right, that looks great. Now our pirate ship is in the way, so let's move this. Let's actually shrink it a little bit so it's not blocking any of our words. All right, perfect. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your spider map, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button. And that is how you make a spider map template using Storyboard That. All right, thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.